Hi there, my name's Neil Moore. I'm the founder of Simply Music and the person who developed the Simply Music method. I'm really thrilled that you found us. You've indicated that you've had some experience. Now, there's some things that I need to assume about that. If you have had some experience, one, whether you're an older child or a teenager, an adult, perhaps a senior, maybe you learned in the past, maybe you learned other instruments, I'm not really sure. We've found, having taught Simply Music for decades, through an international community of educators and having taught literally millions and millions of lessons inside this program, it's common for us to work with students that have had prior experience. We've found, more often than not, that most students who have had prior experience have had a pretty difficult time. And I think there are particular reasons that are behind that. Traditionally, the overwhelming approach is what I would call reading based. So you are firstly expected how to learn how to read music as a means of learning how to play. That approach is more cumbersome, more theoretical, more technical. I actually think it creates a disconnect to our natural musicianship. Simply Music is what we would call a playing-based approach. So we teach students how to play by immersing them in the experience of playing, and also by teaching students how to look at music through a particular lens, allowing them to be able to see music in terms of shapes and patterns. Now, the advantage of that to somebody that's had prior experience is that you may have found that even though you developed your ability to play, you still are very reliant on the page. So in other words, you can only really play if you're reading from a script. That's one of the things that we'll be able to do immediately. We'll be able to free you up from the page so that you can take music with you everywhere you go. Be able to sit down anytime, anywhere, at any instrument and play a repertoire of great sounding music. Many of our students, even those that have had extensive experience, find that to be a huge asset in learning this program, even though it's considered to be an entry-level program. One of the other things that may have happened in your experience is that it's been confined to a particular genre of music. Maybe your focus has been primarily on classical music. In our world, we'll have you improvising to contemporary music. We'll have you playing contemporary pieces, gospel, classical, ballads. You'll be doing accompaniments, arrangements, all sorts of musical styles. And it's not only the musical styles that you'll benefit from, you're going to learn strategies, skills, tools that you'll be able to apply to far more advanced musicianship. I think that you're going to find that this experience will really free you up. It's going to give you a more natural connection to your musicianship. It'll give you that experience of a more intimate self-expression and a more intimate connection with your own musicality. And I think you'll be able to expect to see broadening your repertoire, being able to carry music with you wherever you go, and maximizing the likelihood of you being able to keep music as a lifelong companion. I look forward to seeing you if you choose to be a part of the process. I'll be your teacher. See you soon.